Girl, you better can cook. Think you know you pay your pretty look. You want to live a restaurant and come done man bank book. Cook, recipe book. Why in the kitchen cause you and them no look. You better cook. Think you know you pay your pretty looks. You want to live a restaurant and come done man bank book. Cook,
Ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Amanda Dream. Today I'll be showing you guys just something easy. It's so easy, and it's chicken chop suey. Right, so stay tuned, don't move. Welcome back guys. So right here I have my chicken breast. They already chopped and washed nice and clean, and over here I have with me some garlic powder, jerk season, and yellow spice. Here I have some tomatoes, I have onions, I have garlic. This is my food basket, which I'll be taking some of the items from for my recipe. And here I have, this is like half teaspoon of vanilla to give it the taste. And over here I just have some season. So guys, stick with me guys, don't move. This is gonna be awesome because we like to learn how to prepare different type of meal, right guys? So this that I'm gonna show you is very easy. It's nothing stressful. It's just like let me just give you like a time. It's like 30 minutes, right? It's just like 30 minutes. It takes 30 minutes to prepare it. So I know you guys going to enjoy doing this. Please, if you're new to my channel, please like, subscribe, and share. Leave me a comment to let me know what you think about my video. So guys, stay tuned and watch how I get into this. Alrighty, so guys, welcome back again. I'm just going to show you how I seasoned up my chicken, right guys? So I'm going to use the garlic powder, yellow spice, and the jerk season, right? So that is what I just add. And there I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of paprika and 1 teaspoon of Maggi all-purpose, and just a pinch of black pepper, right? That's a pinch. Okay, so let me just combine all this in. Hold on. I like to use my hands because my hands like mix all the season into the chicken, guys. So let's just roll this all in, right guys, because I'm gonna stir fry the chicken first. I'm teaching you how to do it the easier way. So I'm going to stir fry my chicken breast first, and then when it's finished I'm going to add my chopped vegetables. Just show you guys how to cut up your vegetables. So first I'll be using a cabbage, right, that will be washed, and I'll be using some pacha, right guys. So this is what I'll be using. What else can I use from my food basket? Let me see. Carrots. And I'll be just using one of these carrots. And what else? Okay, that's it. I could use the pumpkin just for, you know, taste. You know, you could boil it and chop it up into like triangle sizes. It's really good. I will show you that in the next video. So guys, first I'm going to start with my cabbage. Just put it aside. I'll be using half of this cabbage. Right? Okay. So guys, I'm just gonna clean these up. Right? Take out what's not supposed to be there. Search for worms and all that stuff that I'm scared of. And guys, so I'm now just going to wash my vegetables. Right? I'll be using that one, and let me just create my going to add my chicken breast into that. Yeah. Make sure that it's fully fried. Okay. It smells so good. pepper, onion, scotch bonnet, just a piece of scotch bonnet, tomato, scallion, and some thyme. Okay. Right, guys. So I'm now going to combine all this in. You see how great that looks? Look at how great that looks. I didn't chop my onions fine. Right, guys, so remember you're doing stir fries, so let's
seeing eyes of mine. What do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll change it, change it. Trees inside of me. In this desert I can look at you with love. Seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow? Grow the hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it.
Okay guys, so here is the finishing of my chicken chop suey. Serve with some white rice, buttery white rice. Look how yummy that is. If you have made it to the end of this video, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Remember, I'm your girl Amanda Dream. Bye.
I got tired, missing my face.